In today's time, many people have started to invest more actively in order to secure good returns and a stable financial future. Financial planners often emphasize the benefit of starting early make the most of the investment. So if you are young and thinking of investing, then in this video, I'll be sharing a few key points and benefits that may help you be a wise investor. Hello, my name is Divisha Srivastav and you are watching Zee Business. Most youngsters, especially those joining the workforce in their mid or early 20s, often get distracted by their newly found financial freedom. This causes them to neglect basic financial habits like saving and investment. Early investment can go a long way in building wealth, especially over the long term, because the sooner one starts, the better it is for the portfolio. This simply happens because you are able to dedicate more money and more time to your financial goal by starting early. Compounding is the key to success when it comes to long-term investment. Now, what is compounding? In simpler terms, it is a process where your initial returns get added up to the principal, leading to a better return and so on. Now let's quickly look at a calculation to understand this better. If a 25-year-old and a 35-year-old each are investing in an investment plan that offers a fixed annualized return of 10% starting with Rs 5,000 and Rs 7,000 per month respectively, who can get a better return by the time they reach 50 years of age? Calculations show that in this example, the 25-year-old putting in a total of Rs 15 lakh in 25 years till they turn 50 will be earning a return of approximately Rs 51.9 lakh. And the 35-year-old investing Rs 12.6 lakh in 15 years will be earning a return of Rs 16.7 lakh. So what we just learned is that not only it is easier for a person starting to invest at 25 than a person starting to invest at 35, but also the outcome of their investment is going to be much better. This is because the 25-year-old is giving much more time to their invested money. If you found this video informative, then do let us know in the comment box, and for more such videos, keep watching Zee Business.